I think this is the first match in which there should be 3 men of the match.
हाँ.
Okay.
Who are
I
the
am the
other two?
only man of the match because my सुशांत सरीन किधर है? उसका मेरे को लाइव गाली देने का नहीं मिलेगा.
उसको बुलाओ ना, सुशांत सरीन को बुलाओ सुशांत सरीन को.
सुशांत को बोलता हूँ कि आ जाए.
उसको यही लिंक भेजू मैं.
उसको बोल लाइव आ, कुशल को गाली देनी है.
हाँ. एक सेकंड.
सुशांत सिर्फ मुझे गाली देने के लिए आएगा. तू करते रहियो, बोलते रहियो.
You can abuse Kushal on screen.
You can no, and tell that he has a viewing party also while he abuses Kushal. So मतलब हम लोग सब support में खड़े रहेंगे.
So I think Sky, Bumrah, Kohli तीनों को मिलना चाहिए man of match.
Bumrah, his Bumrah, jackass.
Bumrah.
Only see you see so gay. You only see bums.
मैं क्या करें? Bumrah.
No, but yes, but Bumrah deserves the man of the match. I can't. हम लोग ने poll भी किया था, and this was more reliable than all the exit polls last month.
Yeah, what was the poll result? 85%.
Okay, the catch that Sky pulled, that was amazing, boss.
So I was saying that just before you came, that for 1983, that Kapil Dev catch to get Viv Richards out, this was at that level.
Yeah.
At that level.
Yeah.
मतलब वो जब 6 गई थी, we were like, fuck, गया ये match. Yeah.
So, but I think that was a very special catch that he did. So I think वो भी count होना चाहिए. But I think
and हार्दिक पांड्या बेचारा रो पड़ा. I mean, उसका 2 महीने का सारा emotion बाहर आ गया. Even though he had that, I don't know what the hell was that look, 90s Jackie Shroff with the beard gone and that mustache or something like that. He looked like
somebody has already clipped Abhijit Iyer's live stream dance and put it on the internet.
Are you kidding me?
Oh my god, somebody's already done that. Yeah, Twitter पे. Look, मैं डाल रहा हूँ live link डाल रहा हूँ इधर private chat में. Somebody already recorded. Oh my god. Oh, so crazy. Oh my god. Oh my god. People are so fast.
People are so fast, man.
What the hell?
अभिजीत, तूने रिएक्शन भी नहीं दिया था और लोगों ने उसका ट्वीट बना के पोस्ट कर दिया. Like literally. नहीं
यार मैं ना सोने वाला था और फिर like I'd almost gone off to bed after the match, but then all the crackers started off in my neighborhood. इस टाइम पे कहाँ crackers ले आते हैं लोग? कहाँ से मिलता है?
भाई सब रेडी रहता है इंडिया में, हर जगह. इंडिया में 2 चीज अवेलेबल होती है, पत्थर पुलिस पे मारने को सर्टेन एरियाज में और क्रैकर्स फोड़ने को.
And in some cases both are interchangeable. Crackers भी पुलिस पे मारते हैं लोग, so you never know.
Look who's joining us, the great and powerful Sushant Sareen. Yeah, I'm just waiting for his device to get connected. We're just waiting for his device to get connected.
Now it's a party.
Just to abuse me and join the live stream. What a bastard of the highest order Sushant Sareen is.
मुझे लगता है no, I am waiting for
connect हो रहा है अभी. We're just waiting for his device to be connected. Before somebody accuses me, it's not my fault. He has to allow his devices to be connected. But my goodness, Susha, oh, look at who's joined us. Look at who's joined us. बोल दे तू, बोल दे. Yes, Mr. Sareen.
बोलो मिस्टर सरीन.
हाँ बोलिए, बताइए.
बोल क्यों नहीं रहा है?
We should tell Sushant the आवाज आ रही. दीपक आवाज आ रही है. Go straight up आज तक more.
Oh, look who's come here. Nikhil Mehra has also joined us.
अरे बाप रे.
नकली मेहरा.
Now it's a party.
नकली मेहरा भी आ गया.
अरे हमको तो लगा निखिल you'll be on the streets of Delhi. घर में क्या कर रहा है?
नहीं यार. Firstly, Abhijit, I better see you tomorrow. But dude, 22 for 4 and 5 overs to end this World Cup. I mean, that's incredible. I've only seen other teams bowl like that in the end of a match. I've never seen us do this here.
No, this has only happened to us. We have never inflicted this.
Yeah. It has only ever happened to us.
30, I had given up. I thought we had lost. I switched off the TV.
You don't give up. You don't give up because 30 runs is still 30 runs. It's still enough.
नहीं, और ये ऑस्ट्रेलिया नहीं था तो मैंने देखना बंद नहीं किया था because South Africa जीतता तो भी इतना बुरा नहीं.
That Klaasen wicket is really lucky. He chased the wide one.
Sushant, turn on your mic.
Sushant is on mute, I think.
He chased the wide one. We got the nick, and then the door opened. And once it opened, it was done. Bumrah, dude, 2 overs. You could literally feel before he came on the ball.
No. You are all forgetting who the real man of the match is. Rishabh Pant. We can't hear you.
Fix your audio, yaar.
Rishabh Pant with his Gulbuddin Naib moment.
Exit करके वापस आ. तेरी ऑडियो नहीं चल रही है.
I think he's already frozen. Also, video भी. अच्छा नहीं. हाँ.
सुनाई दे रहा है? Say something.
Yeah. Now you're audible.
Yeah, I was on a bad connection. अच्छा ऐसा है कि मैंने तो मैच नहीं देखा. मैंने तो हाइलाइट्स देखी हैं. मेरे ये कुशल जो ये फर्जी ट्वीट करता है, जब ये एक्चुअल अपनी प्रेडिक्शन देता है वो गलत होती है. जब ये जानबूझ के गलत प्रेडिक्शन ठीक हो जाएगी ताकि अच्छा रिजल्ट आएगा, वो भी गलत पड़ती है. वो जो गलत प्रेडिक्शन देता है वो इसकी ठीक आती है, जो ठीक प्रेडिक्शन देता है वो गलत होती है इसकी. तो मैंने देखा ही नहीं. साले आज नहीं, कोई सीन ही नहीं है. इसने सुबह एक ट्वीट किया हुआ था, मैं बहुत गाली देने वाला था कि मुझे आज बड़ी बैड फीलिंग, ये है वो है. आई न्यू कि आज है ये जानबूझ के रिवर्स लॉजिक अडॉप्ट कर रहा है. तो मैंने देखा ही नहीं मैच. मैंने अभी बड़े डरते खोला, एंड देन आई सडनली सॉ कि इंडिया हैज won. Then I saw the highlights. So I have only seen the highlights. I don't have the, and frankly, even the highlights towards the end मेरी फट गई थी. फिर मैंने सोचा कि ठीक है, अब पाकिस्तानी यही बोलेंगे कि इंडिया क्योंकि इतने पैसे देता है इसलिए साउथ अफ्रीका जानबूझ के बाद में हार गया था. I'm quite sure. ये देखना कल आएगा वहां पर.
I'm telling you, कोहली ना इतनी छितरौल से बचा है कि मरने वाला था. He would have been finished off after today's innings. 50 or 48. He killed the momentum in that innings for so long. And South Africa had this. They had it. They just let it go. They had it.
मैं बोल रहा हूँ आपको, real man.
To Kohli, I think he came through on the day it mattered. When everybody else was failing.
What came through?
His numbers look a little more generous. पहले 12 to 15th over उसने पूरा हक दिया था. He was like 12 of 20 balls or something like that.
उसने माँ ले ली थी सुशांत.
Partner, उस समय अगर अक्षर पटेल is making the runs and you've already lost 3.
No, whatever. In a T20 game, you cannot be 50 or 48. You cannot be 8 overs making 50 runs.
But भाई लोग, let's give credit where it's due to Rishabh Pant. उसने जो अपनी टांग के साथ ब्रेक दिया momentum तोड़ने का, क्लासन घूम गया और आउट हो गया next ball. So we showed Afghanistan that we can fake an injury better than you can.
No, but there is a South African problem, right? Like there was no attacking shot played to any length delivery at that time. Like they just didn't even try.
भाई देखो निखिल, हम लोग नए चोकर हैं.
One sec, before we move forward. Before that catch
Surya Kumar Yadav
is the greatest catch in a World Cup final ever.
No, Kapil Dev 1983 is Surya Kumar Yadav 2024. Let's just say
that becomes 10 of 5, okay? It becomes 10 of 5 and Pandya crapping his pants. And that thing would have been a very different scenario.
Absolutely.
No, that's true. No, look, but the thing is that the guys held their nerve, 15 years back or 20 years back, people would lose their nerve very soon. 3 out ho gaye to it's khatam, dead ho gayi.
Sushant, it isn't just holding your nerve. 22 or 4 or 5 overs in a T20 game, last 5 overs, it's incredible. It's stunning. I've only seen Wasim and Waqar do this. They used to do this to teams all the time, right?
But we have to admit, Nikhil, that Bumrah is our Wasim Akram.
Oh, he's at that.
He beyond that. वो है. मतलब उसने Marco Jansen को, he got 3 balls, he took 1 to get out Marco Jansen.
Bro, Jansen को तू बता दे आ रही है, वो नहीं खेल सकता उसको. He can't.
I just have one question to ask. अभिजीत क्या कर रहा है इस प्रोग्राम में?
मेरे को भी नहीं समझ आ रहा है.
I am a very famous cricket commentator. You should know this.
अरे भाई अभिजीत ने लाइव डांस किया और 30 सेकंड में
भी
किसी
कर
ने
लिया है आके
30 सेकंड में ट्विटर में डाल दिया किसी ने लाइव स्ट्रीम से काट के।
अभिजीत की जो स्पेशल कमेंट्री होती है ना, वो भी एक अभिजीत ही करता है, लेकिन वो ये वाला अभिजीत नहीं है।
No, that's true.
मैं हूँ I am.
नहीं, वो
And
नहीं है।
I want to raise an important point. ठीक है?
Yes,
What
sir.
the hell was this Akshar fellow doing, right? If he had contact, he went on making this eye contact with this Deacock or whatever his name was. Otherwise 190 तक हो जाता।
नहीं, अक्षर खुद गांव के फेज में पहुंच गया, इत्मीनान से, सुकून से, लाइक मैं देख रहा हूँ कोई नहीं आने वाला, और टहल रहा था बिफोर ही गॉट रन आउट।
Stupid way to get run out. Yeah, that was really.
Yeah,
that was.
Actually, that was a real momentum killer. जो अक्षर का रन आउट था, I was like, ये शिवम दुबे, by the way, जितनी भी गालियां हमने दुबे को दिया, बेचारे ने आज अच्छा मारा फाइनल में. We have to give him credit. He did.
There's no doubt. There's no doubt. I mean, if you look at it that way, the think tank had an 11. They picked the 11. The only change they made after the first game was to drop Siraj, right? And go with their next spinner because they wanted that next spinner.
And he choked massively.
They didn't change anything else, and every single person at some crucial point has come through for you.
Yeah.
That's how you win World Cups.
Today, Kuldeep choked badly, boss. We have to. I mean, Kuldeep did not.
I don't think he choked. Listen, I'm telling you, we have got away with this. Otherwise, दो लोग तो मरने वाले थे आज. एक तो Kohli for his middle over slowdown, and the other is Rohit Sharma for the sheer number of overs of spin he bowled to Klaasen. Klaasen just destroys spin. Everybody knows this. He played three different spinners. Why is he playing three different spinners? When you kept back Hardik's overs, Hardik ended the match with 1 over spare. He had to be bowled earlier.
किसी ने स्टैटिस्टिक दिया कि क्लासन की स्ट्राइक रेट अगेंस्ट स्पिनर इज 145, अगेंस्ट फास्ट बॉलर्स इट्स 80, एंड रोहित बोल्ड 4 overs of spin to him. Klaasen murdered them for 50.
हम लोगों ने we shot ourselves in the foot and we got out of this because the quality of our fast bowling in the end. यार, otherwise हमने तो मरवा दी अपनी.
We didn't shoot ourselves in the foot. We shot somewhere else.
और बच गए. Boss, इसको spin bowling खिलाना बंद करो यार. You cannot bowl spin to this guy. He can hit you off the front foot. He can hit you off the back foot. He can do anything.
What is this, Sushant? Why are you not having the celebratory beer?
ये देखो.
Nehru. They hate India so much they wanted us to lose, लवड़ा, और डिलीट भी कर दिया लवड़े ने.
नहीं, मैंने स्पिन दिया ना, कोalition गवर्नमेंट आई, मोदी still is prime minister, India still won.
नहीं, अपने को चलेगा ना, मोदी पीएम भी है, इंडिया वर्ल्ड कप भी जीत गया, सब कुछ तो हो गया.
Actually, this is also Modi's first World Cup, yeah. In fact, it's Modi's first ICC trophy. It's after when Modi arrived. From Modi's arrival, almost we hadn't won.
One more controversial thing: when we won the World Cup last time, the Modi on national stage was Lalit Modi. Now the Modi has changed, and we finally won a World Cup.
Yes.
So yeah, but no, it was something. It was something else. This was a wild win. Totally wild win. No one expected this. ये मतलब 2007 से भी ज़्यादा मैं रेट करूँगा. And what a final यार. South Africa ने भी ज़बरदस्त खेला. This was like.
एक मिनट. We only won the final because this was South Africa. Only they could have lost this.
So that's what I was going to ask, Sushant. My feeling was yes, but we bowled phenomenally. Right, but I do agree with you. उनकी फट जाती है वो. They stopped reacting to the ball.
Akshar did not bowl well. Jadeja did not bowl well.
He did not. It took Bumrah to win. They should have brought him out before. He could have saved a lot of anxious moments if they brought him out before, especially to face Klaasen.
No, and you had to bowl out. You had to bowl out Hardik today. You had to bowl him out. I mean, Hardik ended with 3 overs. That's a crime. And we really, I'm telling you, निकाल लिया हमने, इसलिए it's all good and happy, and nothing succeeds like success. But there's a lot of elements to the way we conducted this match to which you could turn out and say, "चूतियों कर क्या रहे थे बहनचोद, तो कर क्या रहे थे तुम?"
No, but look, here is the thing. On Bumrah, for example, you just unfortunately have only 4 overs that he can bowl, right? And you want to keep you want to keep something in reserve.
Yeah, no. It had to. That's why I keep saying it. Hardik had to bowl his 4. right? So there was this at least one extra over or spin we gave Klaasen, which could have been Hardik earlier.
Yeah, that's true.
When Klaasen gets out, Hardik has bowled one over. He comes for his second over. The first ball he gets Klaasen. Why? Why is he like he's not going to be able to bowl out? That was the problem.
That's true. That's quite clear. But the thing is that
bro,
he gets at the end of the day.
Yeah, Klaasen hits 3 different spinners for 6s.
Boss, has anyone ever seen Rahul Dravid behave like this in their life? I have never seen Dravid behave like this.
Incredible. That's an incredible.
In IPL when he lost.
Have you ever seen Rahul? Look, I have watched Rahul Dravid since Ranji Trophy Rahul Dravid. I have never seen Dravid behave like this.
No, I've seen him lift a trophy or to go a little mad. But this is, you know what this is? This is straight out of that crazy ad that he did. It looks like his version of that ad.
Indranagar ka gunda hu main.
Yeah. You also consider that he was the captain, I think, in 2007 World Cup, which was a miserable World Cup for us in West Indies. He was the captain, and what a terrible World Cup that was. So I think,
that's why you've got to give him an immense amount of credit. You know how shit we were in the 22 T20 World Cup? We were shit.
Yes.
We were fucking decades behind what was going on in cricket at that time.
Correct.
And since then, we played 2 World Cups and we have been superlative in both World Cups.
Not just World Cup.
Final, no doubt, but we were exceptional throughout that World Cup.
No, we win a championship. We almost win the World Test Championship. Uske final mein gaye, World Cup ke final mein gaye, aur isme final mein aake jeet gaye.
So by definition, it's a very simple thing, na. When you beat Australia, you win. As simple as that. Even to that Australia win, all right? I mean, I'm talking about micro moments here. You remember that Aksar catch of
we defeated Australia in the beginning, and then we lost to Australia at the end.
In the final.
Yeah.
Because हमने खुद शानपट्टी कर दी ना. The pitch that was to our favor, we changed it in Ahmedabad.
The Aksar catch that got Mitch Marsh, right? If you don't get that goes for 6. Momentum switch would have been massive. Australia escaped from that game and qualified for the semi-finals, and you're suddenly looking at playing them again over here today. And that's a very different place to be, bro. That they are not going to lose a game from 30 needed of 30. Believe me, they're not going to do that.
This pure tournament, you know what's impressed me is the space given to fast bowlers. I think this whole tournament was kind of a showpiece for fast bowlers.
You know what it is, Abhijit? It's such a huge contrast because just before this was the IPL, and the IPL saw scores of 280 of 20 overs. Madness, crazy, because the pitches are so bad. Now, these pitches actually had something in them. There is something called bowling a length, right? And in cricket, normally, if a fast bowler bowls a length, you should not be able to treat him like dirt, which is what was happening in the IPL throughout. And so these pitches, they bowl length, and length is hard to hit. Length is what gets you wickets. Length is what test matches are about. No, so that's why this was all about fast bowling this entire tournament.
So, Nikhil, about Rahul Dravid, we forget 2 things. One, he had a bad 2007 ODI World Cup. Him, Sachin and Ganguly withdraw from the T20 World Cup. We win that World Cup, so he doesn't win. In 2011 Cricket World Cup, he gets dropped from the team for the World Cup and gets replaced by Virat Kohli. India wins the World Cup. Rahul Dravid is not in ODI cricket. Then India starts doing bad, तो उसको England में वापस बुला लेते 6 महीने बाद, when he thought his career was over. And so we treated him like dirt and he couldn't win a World Cup. That's why this is so important that he has a World Cup now as an India team coach and as an under-19 coach. इसने ये सबको mentor किया है. All these youngsters that we are praising, Rahul Dravid has been the principal, so to speak. तो गौरव कपूर ने एक बार बोला था कि आपने lower primary school का headmaster ही इतना अच्छा बनाया है तो higher secondary में बच्चे अच्छे ही आने वाले हैं. So that's what now, and he's going out on a high. He knows when to call it quits.
Listen, the guy has an outsized contribution to Indian cricket. He's an incredible human being.
Insane.
He's an incredible human being. We're really like that. If you talk about what you want to see as Indian values in your heroes, this guy is like sort of the king of that benchmark.
I have a question for the panel. Now Jay Shah is giving out ICC World Cups also.
I tweeted this right now. And I want to tell you guys about this. to me, seeing a BCCI chief on the pitch, hugging players, hanging out with them like he's one of them, right? He's way better than the bloody Babu Dam bullshit that we otherwise used to see.
What he get, I agree.
Jay Bhai, really, hey boss, you guys have to admit it. Jay Bhai has been involved with Gujarat cricket for the last decade plus. Yaar, he did a lot of work with Gujarat cricket. People don't realize that.
I agree with all of that, but what World Cup क्यों दे रहा है? ICC president should be giving the World Cup, not.
इसमें एक और चीज बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट था. सब चूंकि ये अर्शदीप के सिलेक्शन के खिलाफ थे ना, I thought he justified his selection completely.
No, nobody was against Arshdeep. Abhijit, only an idiot would be against that. Arshdeep is your go-to Yorker bowler. There's nobody who will ever be against Arshdeep's selection.
But बहुत सारे लोग चुतियापा कर रहे थे उसके खिलाफ.
It's a country of 1.4 billion, bro. I mean, चूतिया तो भर के पड़े हैं हमारे पास यार. ऐसी क्या प्रॉब्लम? किसी चीज की कमी नहीं है.
नहीं वो भी यार उसको ट्रोल किया था, एक मैच में उसको ट्रोल किया था, and that was stupid trolling. But look, that is shit which happens in Indian cricket all the time. It's an inescapable part. Supposing आज हार जाते तो अभी तो ये निखिल ही बोल रहा है ना कि विराट कोहली की पतलून उधर जानी थी. So the point is, this is a normal thing in Indian cricket.
Bro, शर्मा जी भी गए थे, मैं बता रहा हूँ. मैं शर्मा जी भी गए थे साथ में, इतनी स्पिन क्यों खिलाई क्लास उनको. I'm telling you, ये होना था, and these would have not been invalid criticisms. That's my point to this.
But you also notice
we made up by the most incredible 5 overs of fast bowling. These are Indian fast bowlers who can just pin South African batsmen who are born and bred in fast bowling. Just pin them back, they can't score.
Exactly. And did you notice with his Yorkers, with Arshdeep's Yorkers, there was a reverse swing element to it as well.
Yeah. Inzamam can't handle that. Inzamam is like cheating चल रही है.
तुम क्यों हंस रहे हो?
या तो चीटिंग और भी बड़ी
जहाँ भी पाकिस्तान का नाम आता है, सुशांत सरीन इज लाइक
चीटिंग एक और भी चल रही है अभी तेरे प्रोग्राम में चीटिंग चल.
अभिजीत
वो तो मुझे मालूम है. अबे येड़े, मुझे ये भी मालूम है इसको कौन मैसेज कर रहा है.
Abhijit, since this is a cricket thing, you need to bring the real Abhijit on.
Let me ask real Abhijit if he wants to come.
नहीं
अभिजीत अय्यर मित्रा का ना तुम फोन ले लो और इसका don't let him have any connection on WhatsApp or anything. उसके बाद इसके बारे में पूछो.
सुशांत सरीन इज लाइक असली पाकिस्तानी तो अभिजीत अय्यर मित्रा है.
नहीं, पर पाकिस्तान की बात हो रही थी ना, हमने लास्ट पॉडकास्ट में बोला था, आई वांट टू, किसी ने वो एक इंग्लिश पॉडकास्ट में बोला था कि पाकिस्तान इज नॉट केओटिक इनफ. वो लोग सिर्फ बोर्ड के चेयरमैन बदलते हैं. अब हर मैच के बीच में कैप्टन बदलने चाहिए. बैटिंग का एक कैप्टन, बॉलिंग का दूसरा कैप्टन. हर एक सीरीज में भी कैप्टन क्यों बदलते हो?
If Pakistan is not chaotic enough, then even chaos theory is given up, Ross. But I mean, come on. If Pakistan is not chaotic enough, nothing is chaotic.
नहीं, मगर Sushant, today is the perfect time to announce your offer to Pakistan, which you and I had privately discussed for the Champions Trophy. अभी कर दे announcement.
पता नहीं, मुझे याद नहीं, मैं तो ऐसी चीजें बोलता रहता हूं.
सुशांत है, सुशांत और मैं बात कर रहे थे कि अभी पीओके लेना है और ये करना है वो करना है. तो सुशांत बोलता है देख, मेरे पास एक अच्छा सोल्यूशन है इंडो पाक पीस का. मैंने बोला क्या? बोलता है देख, चैंपियंस ट्रॉफी आ रही है, हम है ना उनको ऑफर देते हैं, एक चैंपियंस ट्रॉफी खेलेंगे और एक और बायलैटरल खेलेंगे. तुम लोग बिना लड़े हुए हमको पीओके दे दो, क्योंकि हम तो वैसे ही लेने वाले हैं. सुशांत जियोपॉलिटिक्स क्रिकेट में ला रहा है.
Why not? Yeah, cricket is full of geopolitics, man. It's like
cricket is geopolitics, absolutely.
Bro, every sport is football.
The
football
man who
right
actually,
now is pure
who actually
geopolitics.
tells Abhijit Ayyar Mitra.
Yo,
Cricket is geopolitics.
the OG has arrived. The OG Abhijit has arrived.
Who actually tells Abhijit Ayyar.
No. 1 second. Now you wait and see. If this guy, his hands, if the छोटा अभिजीत हैंड्स आर विजिबल.
देख भाई, तेरे हाथ हमेशा स्क्रीन पे दिखने चाहिए, पहली बात.
अभिजीत कुछ नहीं बोलेगा उसके बाद.
दूसरी बात, अब ये पूरी एनालिसिस विल बी बिटवीन अभिजीत एंड अभिजीत, और कोई नहीं बोलेगा कुछ.
नहीं भैया, मेरे को जो भी थोड़ा बहुत पता है वो पिताजी ने ही सिखाया है, तो मैं इनकी आगे इनकी डिसरिस्पेक्ट नहीं कर सकता.
ये हो ना भारतीय संस्कार.
ये नहीं. आज जय शाह भी यही स्टेटमेंट देने वाला है, मुझे जो भी पता है सब पिताजी ने सिखाया हुआ है, बीसीसीआई का प्रेसिडेंट. ओके,
राहुल गांधी भी बोलेगा स्पर्म तो मैं भी हूँ यार।
16th ओवर में लग रहा था उसके मुंह में इधर भी किसी ने लड्डू दे दिया, इधर भी किसी ने लड्डू दे दिया है।
ब्रो वो गलती से ग्लासन ने निक कर दी, वरना तो लौड़े लगे थे।
गलती से
नहीं, you're right. You're right. The plan was correct. Bowl wide to him. He bowled him a cutter. It jumped on him. It went. That's why it got the nick. It jumped on him. If it wasn't a cutter, he would have connected.
जो आपने कहा था कि उसका स्पिन के अगेंस्ट जो भी स्ट्राइक रेट है, वो स्पिन के अगेंस्ट उन बॉल पे उसका स्ट्राइक रेट है जो डायरेक्टली स्टंप को हिट नहीं करती है। जो बहुत बॉल्स डायरेक्टली स्टंप को हिट करती है, उस पे ही ऑलवेज प्लेस डिफेंसिव शॉट्स।
हाँ, by the way, did you see his 6 of the googly, Kuldeep's googly over cover?
देखिए स्पिन बॉलिंग हमेशा फिंगर्स पे नहीं डिपेंड करती है। The amount of friction that is offered to the space through the ground, that matters a lot.
No, listen. I'm telling you, I've watched him play all kinds of spin in different tournaments. He kills you on the length. The amount of turn doesn't matter to him. He just kills you on the length. Whatever the length,
वो बॉल
if you miss the length a little bit,
एक बॉल बताइए जो एक भी स्पिन बॉल।
There's lots of interference coming. Remove your earphones. Earphones don't work.
एक भी बॉल जो उसके स्पिन बॉल जो
कुछ भी नहीं आ रहा।
अभी अभिजीत को चुप करा दिया। व्हाट अ निंजा टेक्निक टू शट पीपल अप। ऑडियो सेटिंग्स चेंज कर क्या?
वैसे is there any analysis of how many people have gotten out in T20 matches of near white balls? Because I think
no, there must be a stat for that. I'm sure Prasanna,
there's definitely a stat for it. We may not have it here, but that is the chosen tactic. So it is there's definitely a stat for it.
But it also depends on the kind of wicket and the dimensions of the ground. So this dimension sort of helped them to bowl a little bit outside the off stump.
And West Indies, literally you have to also analyze the wind direction.
The wind. Exactly. And people forget another thing. It started raining in the last 2 overs. So the wind direction and that also changed. The conditions really changed in the last 2 overs.
I want to remark on something that's most important out here, which I hope all our viewers can see. I'm the fairest in this entire group.
That is because there's maximum light shining on you.
It's because I'm genuinely fair.
Okay.
See, now that the real Abhijit is online, the other Abhijit had to resort to other kinds of commentary.
Have you seen के बारे में? इसने कुछ भी नहीं बोला पिछले 5-10 मिनट से।
बोलना कुछ है। अरे अभिजीत जूनियर
नहीं वो trying to fix
वो भी टेक सपोर्ट में है।
वो टेक सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं।
नहीं, but एक और चीज है, we sort of forget how crazy good of a start it was. इंडिया का 1.3 ओवर्स में 28 रन्स थे। पहले 9 बॉल में तो लगा कि पता नहीं 200 मार देंगे। And then
नहीं, मगर irony of ironies देखिए ये मैच में उनके स्पिनर्स चले, फास्ट बॉलर पिटे, हमारे स्पिनर पिटे, फास्ट बॉलर चले।
That's right. Yes. Maharaj turned the game around early.
अरे मेडन मार्करम made a mistake कि उसने मार्को यानसन को ओवर दिया. That over should have gone to Keshav Maharaj. Marco Jansen goes for 17 in that over. Ultimately, the difference was 7 runs.
8 runs.
Or 8 runs, yeah. Keshav Maharaj goes for 6 or 7. The game would have been totally different.
Did Keshav Maharaj not bowl out?
No, he only bowled 3 overs. I'm telling you, both.
Right. That's a king level stupidity.
Neither did Keshav Maharaj nor did Tabraiz Shamsi. South Africa ka mindset is to fast bowling is what ours is to spin. That is default mode. So similarly, Rohit is like.
So I suppose. So I suppose in the end, both of us went for what we know best, and then we just got out of it.
I'm surprised Rohit ने 2-4 गालियां नहीं दी last. या कैमरा उसके ऊपर नहीं आया because I was totally expecting him to let it loose.
Rohit का तूने emotion नहीं देखा मैच विनिंग पे. He got down on the ground and started banging his hand on the ground.
Yeah,
Rohit
I saw that.
Started crying. Rohit barely cries. I've never seen Rohit cry.
Yeah. वो तो हार्दिक also I've never seen him cry. He was like inconsolable.
हार्दिक तो रोता है. वो तो पाकिस्तान के साथ भी वर्ल्ड कप मैच जीते थे. ऑस्ट्रेलिया वाला तो अभी भी रोता था.
नहीं वो ये वर्ल्ड कप में वो आफ्टर दैट IPL he had अब वो एकदम इमोशनल हो गया है.
मतलब in his commentary again, he made it a bit about himself, which is okay. I
Ajay,
suppose he's
can we also understand one other person has retired also? ICC finally decided that Sunil Gavaskar is not in the commentary box on the World Cup final. They actually kicked him out of the commentary box after the semi-final.
Shukar hai.
But why?
Bro, Ambati Rayudu might be the worst of the worst.
अरे
अंबती रायुडू तो देख वो अलग लेवल है मगर
नहीं but I'll come. I also saw
कर दो कमेंट्री से.
So Sushant, I think Gavaskar had totally, like, he was past his prime. वो कुछ भी बोल रहा था. He was not contributing to the game. And I mean, Gavaskar is a great storyteller. उसको आप analysis में studio में रखो, but don't make him do live commentary. He's just not cut out for live commentary. But Ambati Rayudu क्या कर रहा था?
It was, I think, apart from Ravi Shastri, I don't think we have a single good.
Dinesh Karthik is good. Dinesh Karthik is genuinely good.
Sushant, DK is the best. DK is actually probably one of the best in the world today.
I don't know, but I kind of find Ravi Shastri still, he has a cricketing brain.
Ravi Shastri is more of a presenter, less of a commentator now. He's more of a boxing presenter.
I'm with Sushant on this. There are moments in the game where Shastri analyzes better. I think DK. Yeah, okay, all right, but I think a lot of DK is a little bit of overseeing things.
But you know what makes Shastri better? Not his Indian commentary stint. वो 6 महीने England और Australia में जाता है. 3 months he does gigs for Sky Sports and 3 months for Fox Cricket.
So now when he gives you hard analysis, he gives you good hard analysis.
When India plays Australia, हम लोग को यहाँ US में world feed आती है Australia की, and Ravi Shastri in the Australian commentary box is a total different beast than he is in the Indian commentary box. And you see a whole new sort of chapter of him.
Yeah, but that perhaps that's a reflection on us, right? We also like the hyper emotional commentary.
हाँ, बेचारा हर्षा भोगले भी ऐसा हो गया है. He cannot pause to save his life.
Sidhu has become so bad in Hindi commentary also now. What happened to Sidhu?
Sidhu is like a Fufaji with a WhatsApp. Fufaji with a WhatsApp forward.
Sidhu's a moron है.
Yes. मतलब क्या सिद्धू की क्या commentary है यार? It's not a cricket commentary. You don't.
Yeah, it's not. Absolutely right.
When you listen to the Aussies, or even in the old days, you had Jeff Boycott giving commentary.
Bro, listen to the Zimbabweans, listen to Kwame Mbangwa, listen to the South Africans. Everybody analyzes. These guys don't analyze.
Yeah, these guys don't analyze, and that is, see, again, that is kind of also a metaphor for the nation also. Yeah.
Yes, but unfortunately,
seriously, if you start looking at the Western commentators, the Brits, the Aussies, they break down the game, they break down the strategies, they break down everything, and they make it sound so interesting. I remember Jeff Boycott used to be my go-to commentator. Yeah. Every time the guy used to say nice, interesting stuff also, but he used to analyze it also really well.
Yeah, and you know what's so sad about this, Sushant, is that
but then he backs up his girlfriend.
Since the 22 World Cup, the Indian think tank, the Indian captaincy, Indian cricket has been extremely analytical. The things we are doing are high percentage things. The way we do them are high percentage actions. It deserves a lot better analysis than what we're getting, because there is no doubt that our cricket in 2 years has changed entirely, man. It's incredible how much of a shift we've seen.
Yeah, but Nikhil, वो जो तू बात कर रहा है ना, that is true as the ground is concerned, as far as the playing is concerned. But that skill is being translated to the commentary box. Commentary box, that kind of. You're hearing the same old shit which we grew up listening on and then television. वो बॉल आई, वो बादल आंख में डोली खेल रहा है, या कौन खेल रहा है.
No, I will tell you, Sushant, how Sidhu sounds like. He sounds like Ramdas Athavale with a microphone in the commentary box.
What's such a insult?
Ramdas Athavale is boss, okay? Ramdas Athavale Prime Minister बनेंगे. मैं Ramdas Athavale का foot soldier हूँ. Anybody who says
boys, I'm gonna disconnect for a moment and then reconnect.
Okay, ठीक है. नहीं, but सिद्धू की कमेंट्री ऐसी होती है कि आसमान में देखा उल्लू, सिराज कैच पकड़ा जैसे गुल्लू, ऐसी कमेंट्री.
लेकिन सिद्धू की कमेंट्री का अपना फैन बेस है, और दूसरी चीज ये है कि सब लोगों को क्रिकेट,
तेरी माइक नहीं चल रही है, तेरा आवाज ब्रेक हो रही है, तू नॉर्मल कुछ यूज करके आ।
नहीं बोल बोल बोल।
ये भैया आपका 2 कौड़ी का सेटअप है, तो इसमें मेरी क्या गलती है?
साले तेरा 2 कौड़ी का तेरा 2 कौड़ी का सेलफोन
400 रुपए का है, 400 रुपए का, 400 रुपए का मैं यूज कर रहा हूँ।
तेरी हालत इस समय है ना, कॉर्ड बिहाइंड में जैसे कमरान मुजफ्फर आता है ना, कमरान भाई आवाज नहीं आ रही है, कमरान भाई आवाज नहीं आ रही है।